How's it going, YouTubers? Too Many Mods Garage again. Basically, you're looking at 2 years worth of stockpiled parts that have been accumulating for El Diablo. Well, all that's about to change. These are all about to go somewhere very nice, out of the way. Here's the race car. Hopefully I'll finish one day. There's some more parts over there. Anyway, what I'm buying is storage racks that go above the garage door. They just hang down from the ceiling. Those will be installed tomorrow. I just wanted to show y'all a before, then show y'all after. It should gain quite a bit of floor space once all these parts are out of the way. That's all for now. I'll give you part 2 tomorrow. Thanks. Okay, this is part 2 of the video. Remember the big wall of parts over there? It's greatly reduced. I mean, this stuff obviously can't go in the racks, weighs way too much. But that's what they look like. It turned out great. Still got a lot of room on the left one. Got a lot of room left over there. Greatly cleaned up the area. Even though all the parts are off this one, I just gotta put the table away. The rest of my stock parts underneath there in the shed in the backyard. Now it's time to put the car back in here. Well, the car's back in here, so just to let you see how much more room we got on the driver's side over here. Quite a bit more room. Still want to organize a little bit better, but should have a little bit more room to do things in here now. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and check you later. Thanks.